What up everyone, doing eBay box break 111 1112 SP Game Used. Here's your last team that was auctioned off. Good luck, good luck, good luck. There's your serial number. And here's the mojo. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. First off, for the Panthers, we got a rookie of Hugh Jessman. And for the Rangers, jersey of Mark Messier. Decoy base. Here we got a rookie for the Sharks, Harri Sateri, out of $6.99. And a jersey for the Ducks, Ryan Getzlaf. Decoy base. Base of Hossa. Wow. Here we got dual ink sweaters, numbered 3 out of 5, Wayne Gretzky and Jari Kurri for the Edmonton Oilers. Wow, that's insane. And base of Dwayne Rolson. Got a rookie for the Predators, Ryan Thang, $6.99, and jersey for the Canucks of Ryan Kesler. And base. Here we got a rookie for the Senators, gold out of 50, Roman Wick. And jersey for the Canucks, Roberto Luongo. And base. And we got a patch. So base here. Base. Wow, that's stunning. We got a patch here for the Lightning of Martin St. Louis, 31 out of 35. A little bit of silver trickling in there. And base. Alright, here's the sick hit. Wayne Gretzky, Jari Kurri, dual ink sweaters, 3 out of 5. Wow. Alright, thanks everyone for joining. Hope to see you next time.